What's the next duty will be about how to measure angles in shapes, inside shapes. Okay? Now, let's say talk about maybe, first we'll start with a simple shape. Let's say a square. Obviously, how many angles can you see in square? Carlos? Carlos?
He's not here.
Is not here, Carlos? Miguel? Miguel.
4.
Where is Carlos?
So we have 4.
He went down to the first
As the first vision, how do you see, what are the names of those angles, you think? What do you think, Joshua?
Right.
All of them are right? All of them are right angles, okay? So let's see, how can we tell this is a right angle? By writing those geometric signs, which is smaller squares. Alright? So, if we take the protractor, and what the rules of using the protractor? What do you think, Charbel? If I need to measure, okay, this angle to make sure this is, what's the measurement for a right angle? The measurement, what should the value here? What should be the measurement? How do you label it? Let's say this angle, the bottom left angle. It's right angle, isn't it? So what's the measurement for this right angle? Sorry?
Ali Sautak?
90 degrees. Okay. So you learned to measure or draw or compose angles just only on open angles. How? Okay, how? You said Jessica.
Sorry, could you repeat it?
So repeat yesterday task was for you to compose simple angles. Okay, I asked you to draw a 90 degrees angle. What's the procedure? What's the steps?
Oh, you have to use the protractor.
Okay, so using the protractor, what do we do first?
You first draw the baseline.
Okay, the baseline.
Good girl.
Then you measure with the protractor 90 degrees.
Okay, I can measure like this. Is it?
Yeah. No.
Why not? I'm drawing an angle. Okay, is this right? I draw an angle here.
No.
What do you mean no?
So-
Yes, is it Daniela? Stephanie, sorry. Sorry if I messed up the names.
The vertex has to be at the end of the line.
Okay, so I'm choosing this end. Vertex on vertex. Okay? I'm drawing now angle of 90 degrees. Okay? Is this right?
No. You have to keep it.
How come? Alright. So, having 0 on the baseline, 0 on the baseline, vertex on vertex, and then I count, okay, the 0 from 0 inside, 0 going 10, or counting to find 90, then place a dot, and then join the dot, okay? So this is the simple thing that you drew yesterday, 90 degrees. Okay. Now, I have this shape. I need to measure now the angle, alright? So let's say, how you are going to measure this angle. What do you think, William? I need to make sure that I draw correctly 90 degrees for this square shape. I need to measure. I need to measure if if this angle here, the angle A, B, C. Okay? The angle A, B, C is 90 degrees. So how can I make sure this is 90 degrees, the angle A, B, C, or the angle B?
Yesterday you were measuring angles in isolation. Today you're measuring, Father's showing you how to measure an angle in a shape. How do you do it? That is what he's asking. How do you measure the angle in the shape, angle B?
George?
Here, I'm here.
George. Come on the board. This is your protractor. Show your fellow friends how you are measuring and making sure that I draw an accurate 90 degrees angle. Can you make sure that I draw a 90 degrees angle or not? Just by looking at it? Or how do you measure it? No? Okay, good try, but yeah, it's okay. Jonathan, would you like to try? Come on. So correct me. Did I draw a 90 degrees accurately or not? What's the technique that you are going to use? Explain.
Jonathan, can you tell the class what you're doing?
I'm doing the right angle.
Yes. So what's the first step to choose? What did you do first?
I put the point on the end of the line.
What's this line called?
Andrew, I've got you on tape. Yeah.
Brandon. Where's Brandon? What's this? Okay. What do you need to choose first? Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
You need to put the projector on the baseline.
The baseline. So first we need to choose the baseline. Thank you. So this is, okay, first. And fine. The baseline. Okay? Second one, you vertex on this baseline. So I chose this to be a baseline, alright? On your papers, because your papers you can flip them over, up and down, but on the board it's a bit fixed. I cannot really play all around. I chose to be the bottom line, BC, to be the baseline. But on your paper, you might choose maybe, to, if I asked you this one, to be AB, and you flip it over to be like the baseline. Understood? Understand the technique? Now, I'm choosing BC, okay, in this case, it's BC, line BC, okay? Now, vertex on vertex. Third step. Okay. What next? Yes. Okay. Can I have another turn for maybe the car? So I put vertex on vertex. Okay. I chose to be. This is vertex on vertex. Is it right? No. So 0 on the baseline, isn't it? Remember the two rules? Just today, Mrs. Bassett, write them on the board. Okay? 0 on base line. And 4. Yes?
And then you have to calculate where the 90 is.
Okay.
And then
Find 90 and see if.
and draw a little dot.
Okay. It's already drawn.
Oh.
This is a measurement. It's not constructing.
Oh.
It already, the shape has been given to you. All right. I'm taking this simple the square or rectangle. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you need to find if this is accurate. Isn't it, Jonathan? Elijah, are you with us? Okay. So if I look properly here, 0 on the baseline, and it's 89.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not accurately 90. Right? But okay, I did my best to make it 90. Right?
You are allowed a margin of error of 2. So you weren't far off, Father. That was pretty good for freehand.
So, calculate the finding. So by finding means, okay, what angle did you come up with? Okay, so 0, it's 90. Alright, would you like to take your rules book now? First, just only to... This is a simple step for shape. We are going to do a bit of complex shape data. And the smallest line. The challenge will be how you are going to use your protractor on top of a small line if you cannot see the line going above your protractor and find the angle. But for now, let's draw this. On your rules book, yes?
Father, how do I pause this? Is it already paused? Oh, I think I've already no, I haven't paused it. I'm so sorry. What did I do?